Hello guys, in this video tutorial I would like to explain that how to install R and RStudio. Initially I would like to uninstall R and RStudio, and then I will install R and RStudio, and you will see how we can do that. So let's uninstall RStudio and R, and then I will show that how we can download R and RStudio, and then how we can install R and RStudio. This will take a while. Okay, and uninstallation complete, so you can close this. Now let's see R. Okay, so it seems that we don't have R on this machine. So now let's confirm that there is no so let's see how we can download R. You need just to write R for Windows, or you can write R cron. This cron stood for the Comprehensive R Archive Network. So you can download from here, or you can just write R, download R for Windows. You can click on this. This is the latest version. Okay, and now you can click here, and this will start downloading R. So it start the downloading R, and it will take a few seconds. Now at the moment, let's see how we can download RStudio, because first I would like to download R and install R, and then I will install RStudio as well. So let's see. You can just try it in the Google RStudio download, and you will see, you can see these options. You can click on this one, and you can see, you will see this way, this screen, and you can see different option here. RStudio per desktop free, RStudio per desktop pro, but this is $995 per year. RStudio server is free, and RStudio server pro, this has this amount per year. We don't need to spend this amount or this amount, and we don't need RStudio for server, because I'm using this for my single computer. So I need to opt this one. Just download this, click on this, and now click on this. So you can see that download start here. You can see RStudio. So now R is already downloaded, so let's install R. Okay, so this is R, the source code. Let's install this. You just need to click twice, double click, and then you can allow this to make the changes. English, if your language is different and it's available, you can choose the other, but you can see option from here. Yeah, there are Espanol, Spanish, French, Italian, Netherlands, etc. But we need in English, so let's okay. And then you need to see if there is something you need to agree with the terms and condition, maybe. Okay, and this is the path. C program files are in R4.2.2. so it's you can choose the path. You can make a different path here. Okay, so now they're asking the question, man files, 62-bit files, message transition. I'm just using by default, but you can make changes. Okay, accept default, but you can choose the other one, but I will and this is recommended. This okay, and now there is an option, don't create start menu folder. Okay, if you click this, This will not create a start menu folder. If you don't click, then this will create the stop shortcut. Of course I need this. Create a quick launch, no, I don't need this, but if you need, you can save version number in the registry. Okay, you can choose these things. So this is important, that create a stop shortcut, because then just click on that and you can run all. Okay, it is now, it's starting the installation and it will take little time. Okay, during the installation, let's see what is R and who developed this R. If you click, if you search this R programming language on Wikipedia, you will see that R is a programming language for statistical computing and graphics, supported by the R core team and the R Foundation for Statistical Computing, created by statistician Rose Ehaka and Robert Gentleman. These are the two statisticians who developed this. You can see their picture as well here. Just make a cursor on their names. So this is George Rose Ehaka and the Robert Gentleman as this one. So these two guys developed this R in the University of Auckland, New Zealand. And now this is one of the top languages used for data science, statistical analysis, and R has cutting edge graphics. Okay, so let's see. This is installed, I think. Okay, complete the R for Windows setup wizard. So this is complete. Click finish to exit the setup. Okay, this is complete. You can see now. You can see this now just by, yes, the R folder is here. So this means this is just a picture I downloaded, but this is now the shortcut, that R 4.2.2. Okay, so you can just click on this and this will open for you. Yes, you can write the codes, the things, and the stuff here. This is a bit difficult in use, not that difficult, but we need to use install RStudio and then work with the RStudio. I will explain why we are using RStudio in the next video sometime. So let's see the RStudio. Okay, this is downloaded already. So this is RStudio and this is the version. So now let's double click on this. Okay, so allow this. Okay, click next to continue. Okay, again you can change the path if you want to install in this. You don't need to change. Okay, don't create a shortcut. Okay. If you want a shortcut, then you need to click, the box in the previous steps. That will create a shortcut. Okay. This will take little time because this is much heavier software than the R. I think this is now a bit faster. You can see about, in the meantime, you can see about what is RStudio. You just need to click to Google RStudio and you can go to Wikipedia. RStudio is an integrated development environment for R, a programming language for statistical computing and graphics. Okay, so this is sometime, this make little easy the use of R and integrated development environment. Okay, RStudio, completing RStudio setup. So okay, now this is complete. You can just wait, and you can see that there is no RStudio shortcut here. You can, let's see, let's try again this, and then click on the box, click on the box that will create then the shortcut, because we need that. That was just for testing. Okay, the path is same. Okay, I'll just now click do not create the shortcut. So this is not create, so this was mistakenly. If you don't click this, if you check this, that will not create the shortcuts. Okay, we don't need this now. And you can see that let's see where else, but you can copy from the path where it is installed. You can see here as well, just search, or you can see RStudio is installed already, so you can just click from here, launch from here, just click here, and that will start. And you can copy and paste here on the desktop to make a shortcut. Okay, it's opening. I think my computer specification is not that good, so I think it's take a little time. If your computer specification is good, it will not take so long time. Okay, sometimes my computer has problems. Okay, so this is RStudio for you. There are some programs which are open already in my computer, you can see, but you will see there are 4 windows. We can make here one, the other one. Yes, I will explain about each of these, what is meant by this one, what is meant by this one, what is meant by this one, and what is meant by this one in the next video. So thank you very much for watching. If you have any question, you can write in the comments about the installation of R and RStudio. Thank you once again, and if you like the content of this video, please subscribe the channel so that you can receive notification for the next videos, which will be very important for data science, data analysis, and graphics. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Ciao.